Hi, Joshua and Brittany. As I said in my email, wanted to make you guys a quick video and just do a really short analysis of your website and some tips on how you guys can significantly increase your search results rankings for your site. This is your home page, and actually, it looks really good. I mean, it's a basic, but I actually use Weebly quite a bit to build out sites too. I'm just going to go back. I actually have been looking to get into your niche and looking for a small business to work with. I had a hard time finding you when I searched just cleaning services in Colorado Springs. I think I went back about 5 pages. So I'm guessing, as I said in my email, that you're a pretty new business, which is fine. So I just found you, I think maybe through Yelp, and then clicked on your website here. So um, I'm assuming that you guys are just getting started, but I want to show you some tips to how to get to if we search cleaning services Colorado Springs, and I know you guys do quite a few different services, but the key here is to get not only in the first page of the Google search results, but it's really to get into these top three spots. And I'm going to show you how you can do that. So, and the importance of that. And some of this you may already know, and bear with me if you do. But let me just show you the importance of why. Okay, so a couple stats real quick. 60% of clicks go to the top three websites in search engine results, and that's what I just showed you. And I'll go back to that in a second. Number 14, 75% of users never click past the first page. That means that 3 out of 4 people looking for your service or services are never going to get past the first page. And so, and I know you guys know this, but in this day and age, a lot of business for services comes from the web, and that's why it's so important to get on that front page. And so if we look at Colorado Springs or cleaning service in Colorado Springs, there's a lot of different ways people could search to find you. It could be cleaning companies, cleaning services near me. I know you guys do window cleaning, which is I think how I originally found you, but you also do maid services. Each one of those things that you do needs to be optimized so that no matter how someone searches for anything you do, you're going to show up right here. Okay, and so going back to your page, let's see here. How did I find you? Let's go Grand Indeed. That's the easiest way. The number one way to increase your search rankings is by content. And you need to have a minimum of 1,000 words of what we call authoritative content on your homepage. Okay, you've got maybe 30. And the reason why this is so important is when the Google bots read a web page, they read all that content, and they're going to read all that content and they're going to match it to the search results. So let me give you an example. Okay, if we go over here to another search result and I punched in water buffalo, and you could search for anything you want, you're almost always going to get Wikipedia in one of the top searches. And the reason why is the amount of authoritative content they have on water buffalo. Everything you want to know about water buffaloes is here. Okay, and you got to remember, Google is a business. They're in the business of giving you the best possible matches for your search result, because that's going to keep you coming back and using Google, and that's going to allow them to sell more ads. And so you've got to have not only the right amount of content, but authoritative, meaning it needs to be written specifically for your business, and it needs to have all the right keywords so that if someone searches, no matter how someone searches for your business, they're going to find you. And so this is one of the things that we do. And sorry, this is a piano tuner. This is another niche I'm looking at. But we help you to not only lay out your website properly, but to have all the right things involved in it to get you on that top spot. Now, the other thing to remember here is, if I go back to just cleaning services Colorado Springs, and I go back to the top. When you search, this is the first page. So you have your competitors that are paying to have ads here. They're paying a lot of money to buy their way to the top to the top of page one. Now, here's what's interesting too. If we go back to these stats, 70 to 80% of people ignore paid search results. and go right to the organic listings. So that means that the majority of people don't click on that and they go right to this. This is what's called the Google Map Pack. It's the top 3 search results. We know how to get you into those top 3 spots. I can't stress enough to you, and I'm sure you guys know this, how much business that would bring you. So I hope that makes sense to you, and I hope this has been a little bit informative to you. There's a lot of ways, a lot of strategies that we use to take local businesses, and I stress that because what we do is we get you into local search results for specific towns. This is not a national strategy, and we've been very, very successful with it. I'm going to send this off to you and hope to talk to you guys soon.